So guys, your boy Mr. Old School Rider come back at you one more again for the second channel, Flexing for Less. Just got home not too long ago. It's close to 2 from the second job. Boy, I'll be working these hours, man. I'm trying to get it, man. Like I was telling you guys earlier today, I got my Balenciagas out. I already got the outlines traced out for the shoe protector. What I did earlier, now we're gonna cut them up just a little bit. We're gonna chop them up like Swisher House. You can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna trim a little bit outside the line, just a little bit, to kind of leave me some room here. Hope these come out good. I'm a little tired right now, but I gotta keep on going. Gotta be patient on the scissors. If you're gonna be flexing, you gotta flex for less, you know what I'm saying? These shoes normally like $700 and something dollars. When I was working in Neiman's with my discounts and everything come into play, I think I ended up paying like $56 or $57 or something like that for these shoes. And they still got some of these left in some sizes. I need to go back up there and get my Bashimis. My manager, go look out for your boy at one time real quick. I'm not gonna get the Pumas right now. Of course, he got his Pumas out there still. Last time I checked him, maybe like a couple weeks ago. But at the same time, I gotta get those Bashimis, man. I got that navy blue. You know me, I like my luxury stuff. But right now, we're getting close to getting these cuts. We about to see how this is going to work out. This is my first time actually use a sole protector. Woo, that was close. Now let's see. Let me figure out how to pull this off here. It's the moment of truth. Alright, I found me a good spot so I can go ahead and peel them off. Damn, a piece of hair on that. That was on the other side, thank you. Man. You have to make sure your bottom of the shoe is clean. Since I never... You know what, I can hit it... Hang on one second, y'all. I want to hit this with some alcohol real quick. So I can clean the bottom, make sure they can hear pretty good. Okay guys, I'm back. Like I was saying, had to get some rubbing alcohol, kind of clean the bottom of the shoe here for a second. I don't want them, I just want to make sure I have a good, make sure they good real good. Make sure I don't have no stains on that. What's a little yellow, not even too yellow. Maybe it's on the other side of the shoe. I guess I was tripping, but hey, oh well. At least I got the bottom of it cleaned up. Get some of that tape off of it. Let me see real quick. Hang on, guys. Kidding with the come on. We'll try this real quick. See, I got the down cleaned up at the bottom of it. Okay. look at that bottom. Ooh, I can lick these like Fat Joe be saying, but I ain't doing it like that. Let's see, if I'm not mistaken, I think I need two. Oh man, it's the first time doing this. So if I fuck up, hey, you already know. You know what, I'm gonna start from the big part. Now we'll go ahead and try to get those on there real good. Make sure I don't hit the make sure I don't have any bubbles on that there piece of her. See ya. You know, just put them on like that. Kind of work it in there. Make sure you get the bubbles out. Wow, that actually went on all right. Now you got to work it in now, right now. Make sure you get all the nooks and crannies. Yeah, like I was saying earlier today, I left a little bit on the outside so I can trim it later on once I get in there. Right now, it's the moment of truth. What I'm doing right now, I'm actually working these in a little bit more so I can get them in pretty good. This material is pretty thick, I can say myself. It's thin, but it's thick at the same time. You know, if I'm going through the hood, you know, rocking my good stuff. When I say good stuff, if I'm going in the hood, doing what I do, you gotta make sure your shoe right. You say, what are those? You know, the real people, maybe the hustlers or the people that's in on fashion, they know what these is. You know, it doesn't matter how old they are, what they are. You know, you got these. You know what I'm saying? When I pull out the Moto Chrome, the white, and I'll be hitting them, man. Right now, what I'm finna do on my end, I'm gonna get that blow dry in this bitch. Put it on heat. That's what's hot enough. I'm gonna go ahead and start working this in. Make sure the heat evenly. This should last at least, most people say like 20, maybe 25 wears, just depends. You know, I don't wear these that much. Just putting that heat on there. If I have another heat gun, it's a little bit more power, but hey, Whatever that means. This thing is starting to stick a little bit now. I'm gonna keep it down on the heat. Keep working on it. You kind of get the idea of what's going on. Let this sit for overnight, correct? So it's supposed to stick in 5 hours or so, but you get the idea of what we are trying to accomplish right now. Trying to protect the shoe. You see how that's going to look right now. I'm going to work on these a little bit longer, but like I was saying before, your boy Mr. Old School Rider, you know, had to. You can tell by it right now, starting to do what it do. You know, it's not more. It's starting to heal on her real nice. I'm gonna let these sit flat overnight. In the morning, man, just go provide you protection for your shoes. Shoes sold by 3M. You can't even really tell that's on there almost, but you can still tell a little bit. You see my junky background. Well, you know, your boy Mr. Old School Rider, you know, we did that once again. Check that out. That's the bottom. I mean, that's the new and that's the old. You can kind of tell, but not really. But work on this a little bit more. But we done now. Now I'm gonna do the other side, then I work on the Jordans. I might have to get to the Jordans a different day, but hey, you know, at least the Balenciagas. Hopefully I'll be able to wear these weekend, of course. But hey, we'll see. Deuces.